And I think it's like a perfect opportunity for us to talk going into the Tech Summit. This year is our 6th annual Tech Summit.
That's crazy.
It's crazy. It's absolutely crazy, right? Because I remember the first one when we were wearing masks.
What?
We had masks on because it was COVID.
Right.
It was during COVID. And so we had a little less than 40 people that included in the team. And the team was extremely small at the time, like 3 of us. Yeah. Myself, Wally, Leslie, and just a few other folks that came in and were there to support. So that was 6 years ago. And here we are, fast forward, and we're doing our 6th annual Tech Summit. And so people may be listening and tuning in and like, well, what is so exciting about this Tech Summit? Well, first of all, I want you to hear it from me, and then you're going to hear the actual experience from not just Nyah's point of view, but from her point of view and watching other people have their aha moments, right? And so we put this together because we wanted to put a bunch of resources in the room, and not resources like you think. This is like, I can get to the bag way faster if I pulled up at this Tech Summit.
Definitely.
100%, right?
From my own experience, definitely.
See? Don't tell him the tea yet. Don't tell him the tea yet.
I got it.
Don't tell him about the food yet either, no, Nyah. Because
but
we got breakfast.
I
know. We got breakfast and lunch, and snacks, treats. This year, they had the audacity to add in desserts.
I know. It's such a good choice.
Oh, my gosh. So breakfast, lunch, snacks, desserts, all included in your ticket. We're doing $5 donations for kids, $10 donations for adults. And why do we do a donation? So you show up. Show up, guys. We can't wait to see you there. And so at this event, it's from 9 to 3. You get to experience the latest and greatest in tech. This is cybersecurity. This is artificial intelligence. We've had drones. We've had the OT systems where you get to see an actual water system get hacked live, which is the coolest thing, right?
Cool.
So cool. Gaming. Gaming is a part of this. We have a really cool tool that we're revealing at the Tech Summit this year. Super excited about this partnership. And this tool we've been utilizing, and it's helping to advance careers way faster in collaboration with our already proven system. So all of that to say, it's for the whole family too. You can bring your kids, your auntie, your cousins, ages 3 and up. It's for the whole family. So whether you're 3 or 73, everybody is invited, and we have a place and a space for you. So super excited about that. We're going to talk money, finances. We got the bank will be on site. People can connect to the bank and find favor there in terms of opening accounts. So we're excited about having Pinnacle Bank on site too. Some major hitters are going to be present. AI Says is in the building. AI Says is in the building, right? The food, I don't know why I keep going back to the food, but let's skip the food and come back to Kendrea Camacho is going to be sharing financial literacy or what we call wealth strategies. We also have Mr. Shawn Gregoire that is going to be talking about the Capstone Tech interview tool that we've partnered with, and we're excited about that collaboration. So many things in store. All that to say, get yourself there. I know right now, Davon, somebody on the team to drop the link or something, so hit that link, get your ticket. Hopefully it's tickets left by the time you see this.
Hopefully, because they sell
it sells out so fast, and it sells out every year. So really hope to see you guys there. And if you enjoyed that last clip, check out these videos, hit that subscribe button, and turn on that bell for notifications. We don't want you to miss a beat.